Tempo? Are you exercising? Go on, do your thing. Tempo is a really good, active guy. He likes going up and down his cage. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. He goes inside. He climbs all around. I think he's extremely excited that he's got such a big space. I don't think he's ever had a big space like this, so he is just incredibly happy. I mean, he'll go up there and then he'll go back down and then he'll try something else. Yeah! Aren't you a happy guy? Oh my goodness! Oh, he's so happy! He's so happy. He's so happy.